you know how to measure a tablespoon? Look in that drawer right there. Come here.
Oh.
Okay, hold it up. Show Mommy which one's a tablespoon. Those ones are very hard to see. I made it that way. Can you see what it says? Here.
This one is a tablespoon.
So,
Small spoon.
TSP is teaspoon. Tablespoon is bigger than a teaspoon. Usually the biggest one, what does that say? TSP is tablespoon. That is 1 tablespoon. You have to measure how much did it say sugar?
Yeah, sugar.
Okay, measure the sugar over top of this in case some spills. And then you have to do the same thing. You know, you should make sure it's even at the top. So how many of those do you need? Look what's happened. And shake it out to even it up. Shake it out. Make sure it's even. Up. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Here, shake it off. Use your knife. Even it up. You can use the rest of that for the next one. Okay, now, wait, what does it say to do? Okay, so sift the ingredients.
Okay, do
Oh,
it
wait, hold on.
again.
Okay, yeah, so you can combine all them together in the medium bowl. So go ahead and put that in. So how many tablespoons do you need?
2.
Just 2? 2 and a half. Okay. So you use that. You can just dump it on this. Here, you know what else?
What else is it?
Put some more, 'cause what looks even is stinks and then it runs out.